Alright, hey guys, Alex here. Alright, so I just uploaded the Pom's edit. I just uploaded my new edit. Well, not my edit, but my friend's edit. And it got 100 views in 44 minutes. And then I wake up this morning, in 13 hours it's got 500 views. I mean, thank you for that. Thank you so much, because I didn't realise it would get that many views. And today it's really windy. I don't know why. I mean, all this week it's been really sunny, and then it's just started to get really windy. So I don't really know what I'm going to do today, but I'm hopefully going to go to the skate park and meet up with people. And Ethan and Chris have gone Corby, so have a good time there because it's pretty sick. As you know, me and Tyler and Elliot and Brady and Frankie and Mike went there last Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. So yeah, I think we're just gonna go to the skate park and see who's there. And if there's no one there, we'll just have a lonely sesh, like I usually do when there's no one there. So yeah, let's go to the skate park. Alright, so I'm not at the skate park, but at the outside, it's like really windy, and you probably can't even hear me right now. It's really windy, and I'm gonna try and get some clips from the shootout rail, not shootout rail, on this ledge. So yeah, let's just get some clips. Hello. Hiya. Elliot's here.
Just me.
Do you want to shout yourself out?
No, I'm alright.
Alright then.
It's calm.
Hello. Let's say this is for me. Yeah. Alright, so Elliot came on the tower, and we're gonna have a session here and get some clips. And hope Brady said he's not coming down because it's too windy. Oh dear. Alright, well, let's get some clips. Do you want to do the hand thing? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Really sexual. Yes, okay, that's the title of the video. Wait, let's get a thumbnail.
Sitting poolside, wondering if I'll find a girl like you, or if I'm gonna die with nobody to hold on to. Sitting poolside, wondering if I'll find a girl like you, or if I'm gonna die.
Alright, so I have to be behind here to do that. Elliot?
Yeah?
Should I do the outro?
Nah.
Why?
Not yet.
Alright.
Get a few more clips.
We're gonna get a few more clips. I don't know if if the camera's gonna survive. It's got a few scratches on the side of the lens, but the camera just fell. I'll put the clip in like before this. And hello. Alright, so we're gonna get some more clips. Hopefully we're gonna not die. And it's just been really... What? Alright, let's go to Tyler and that on the half pipe. Alright, so I'm really sorry for the really short video, but I couldn't really help it because it was really windy. I don't know why it was really windy, it was just one day, but it was really windy, and we couldn't get that many clips because whenever I tried putting my camera down somewhere, it would fall over because of the wind, and it just didn't help at all, and you couldn't get that many clips. As you saw, I think it was the last clip, you couldn't see most of, we couldn't see my whole body because the camera fell down a little bit. But yeah, I'm really sorry for this, but couldn't really help it that much because of the wind again. And yeah. Alright, so if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe in that corner, and comment in the comment section if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, peace out. Have a great day.